Hi, my name is Steve Burton. I am one of the lead criminal defense attorneys for Intermountain Legal. I'd like to answer the question, what are the penalties for a misdemeanor in Utah? We talked about the difference between misdemeanors and felonies. So here is the potential penalties for misdemeanor crimes in Utah. The legislature sets the minimums and maximums for all types of classifications. So I'm going to talk about each of the minimums and maximums for misdemeanor classifications. They're divided into three classifications: Class A, Class B, and Class C. And then there is a category under a Class C misdemeanor, which is called an infraction. I'm also going to talk about the penalties associated with that. For a Class A misdemeanor, the minimum and maximum jail time that you can get punished for a Class A is 0 to 365 days in jail. So there's no possible prison time for a Class A misdemeanor, but you can be sentenced up to 365 days in jail, and the judge can impose the maximum, or the judge can suspend some or all of that jail time. So it's 0 to 365 days. And the maximum fine for a Class A misdemeanor is $2,500. Also, you should know that in Utah, there's a 90% surcharge imposed for criminal convictions. So even though they say $2,500, that always includes a surcharge of 90%, which means it can almost double the maximum penalty that a judge can impose. So 90% in addition to $2,500. For a Class B misdemeanor, the range is different. They can impose anywhere from 0 to 180 days in jail for incarceration, 0 to 180, and the max fine for a Class B misdemeanor is $1,000 plus the 90% surcharge. So it's $1,900 is technically what the maximum fine is for a Class B misdemeanor. Class C misdemeanor, again, the range is shorter. It's 0 to 90 days in jail. And the max fine for a Class C is $750 plus 90% surcharge. So almost double. And then an infraction is a different classification. In some instances, it's still considered a crime. Others, it's non-criminal. But there is no possible jail time for an infraction. So they cannot impose you to jail unless you have contempt of court. Other than that, it can only be punished by a fine of $750 plus the 90% surcharge. Now again, these can go up or down in the legislative session for 2013. These were the amounts that were set, so it could change if you're watching this video sometime after 2013. It could go up or it could go down.